a great history according to our geography. Manila is capital city, the king point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Let's go now to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we at the island for Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, down to the Visayan shore, Pemochuga, Coconut and Gold. Ay, 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 Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, ay, 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 Bohol, Samar at Leyte, ay, 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 Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambacaw, Butuan, Pusang, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Samis, and the three provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental, the Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Ay, 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 Philippines has a great history. Ay, 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 Manila is capital city. Ay, 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 all tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country. Ay, 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 Woo! Thank you. Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is capital city, the king point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon,